Welcome back, everyone. In this lesson, we are going to talk about creating lists. Okay, so this lesson we are going to be creating lists. Okay, so what is lists? Okay, lists are categorized, or it has two types. We have the ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so lists have ordered list and unordered list. So what is ordered list? So ordered list tag define an ordered list. Okay, an ordered list which can be numerical or alphabetical. Okay, an ordered list starts with the tag of ol tag. Okay, each list item starts with the li tag. Okay, so what we are trying to say here, or what we mean here is, if you want to start your ordered list, you are going to start with the ol tag like this. You can see the ol tag here. Okay, you start with the ol tag, then you close the ol tag at the bottom. Okay, after doing that, in between of the ol tag, you are going to insert an li element. Okay, so which is the list. Okay, so the first ordered list here is here like this, you can see. Okay, so what this means is, even without any attribute, your ordered list is going to start from 1. Okay, your ordered list is going to start from 1 without any attribute. Okay, so now that we want to use the type attribute, we are going to tell the ordered list to start from to start from A. The type attribute is to identify what count the ordered list should start from. So to identify what count the ordered list should be in. Okay, not start from here. To identify the count, the type of count the ordered list should be. Okay, so now we are talking about type A. So here we have type A, we have A, B, C. Okay, so why do we have A, B, C here on the browser here? We have A, B, C because we have already started, or we have already made the type clear as A. So the list inside the ordered list would be A, B, C, just like that. Okay, so the third one is the count of Roman number. So the type is I. So whenever you want your Roman number your order list to start to count as Roman number, then you have to use the type I, the type Roman figure I. Okay, so after doing this, you are going to get this kind of result on your browser, which is I. So that is that about the type. Let's talk about starting the count. So where to start the count of an ordered list? Okay, to start the count of an ordered list, you can choose to start from 50. Okay, so it is going to start from 50 here. Now we want to start from 10. Let me save this and refresh on the browser. You can see it starts from 10, 11, 12, just like that. Okay, so that is that about ordered list. The next one we are going to talk about is the bulleted list, which is the unordered list. Okay, so the bulleted list or unordered list tags define an unordered bullet list. Okay, so the list tag of an unordered list is going to be in bullet. Okay, what do we mean by bullet? You would see very soon. So an unordered list starts with the ul tag. Okay, each list starts with the li tag. Okay, so the list item will be marked with bullet, small black circle by default. Okay, so what we mean here now, let me quickly preview this to you on the browser, and you can see here, right here, that the unordered list here has a bullet of small black circle. Okay, so this bullet of small black circle can actually be changed. Okay, this is actually an unordered list. Okay, the way to know that it is an unordered list is by seeing this ul tag. So an unordered list is being defined or described with a ul tag. Okay, so that is that about an unordered list. Okay, so if you want to change the kind of bullet you want on your browser, then you can style it. You can use the style attribute, which means you use style list style type then column disk. This one is telling you to use disk, which is the black dot as the unordered list bullets. Okay, if we want for the circle, if you want it on the circle, if you want a circle on the unordered list, we are going to use list style type circle. So basically what we want is, okay, if we want this the unordered list to be in square, we can do style list style type square, just like that. Okay, so that is that. And if you don't want any bullet on it, you can do list style type none, just like that. So what we are trying to tell you, or what I'm trying to tell you here, is that if you want to use an unordered list, you won't expect anything but bullet on the bullet. I mean, what I mean by bullet is the small black circle on each item of your list. Okay, so that is that about bulleted or unordered list. So now we are going to talk about the nested list. So what is the nested list, or what is a nested list? Nested lists are lists inside another list element. Okay, so the list that you have inside another list element are called nested list. Okay, so this time around we have a nested list of value and property inside of the list of CSS. As you can see here, you can see HTML, CSS. Then inside of the CSS we have the unordered list of a nested list of unordered list inside of the list of CSS. Okay, so that is that about nested unordered list. Then we have nested ordered list. The same pattern is being used on nested ordered list. As you can see on my browser, anytime you want to use your nested unordered list, be prepared to make it either, anytime you want to use your nested list, be prepared to make it either unordered list or ordered list. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Send your questions and subscribe for more lessons like this.